Manila, 9 attack points. Buti nga, nakadalawa pa Philippine Navy doon.
Yun ang nag-matter doon. Yung kahit ang Ateneo, medyo low pa yan, ano? Kung pag-uusapan natin Ateneo, but they were also able to limit itong Philippine Navy to only 2 points. At yung service aces naman ng Ateneo, 6 in 1 set alone.
Wow.
May 1 block pa yan. Ang nakasakit pa dyan sa Philippine Navy, they have 9 errors in that set. So, parang ang dali-dali nilang binigay sa Ateneo yung first set.
New faces for Ateneos. Amy Ahumiro checks in for the first time along with Ella De Jesus. So, a brand new unit here. Let's see if it'll work out. Joanna Botor Carpio sets up Mai Prochina. Then Lazaro. Here's the back set now to Amy Ahumiro. And Ahumiro, instant offense.
Right, going across court. So it's a Phil sandwich in front of Ateneo. In the front line of Ateneo. Ahumiro and Dajima. With Phil.
Carpio sets up Prochina once again, trying to go down the middle. Lazaro is there. Galido. There's a setup now for Eileen Suson. Ahumiro sets up Kainglet. Nice dig, Philippine Navy. Better floor defense here, but Dajima is just way too tall.
That's right, and alongside Ahumiro, there's a wall there on the side of Ateneo. Let's take a look at it once again.
Okay, si Ahumiro pa nga yata nakadali doon eh. So 2 for 2 here for Ahumiro in the second set. Ferrer on the serve. Here's Prochina. Pushing it across. And Carpio, you gotta remember she's left-handed. At nagulat si Ferrer doon. So Carpio getting the first point for the Philippine Navy here in set number 2.
Si Carpio at saka si Ruby De Leon, yan yung halos pareho ng laro. Marunong tumalo, pwede mo gawing spiker.
Kaliwete nga lang itong si
Kaliwete version.
Si Joanna Botor Carpio. Jem. Amy Ahumiro, who's also left-handed.
Yep.
There's another lefty right there, and she scores in Gretchen Deposoy. Deposoy was actually the second leading scorer in that loss to the Philippine Army off the outstretched hands of Dajima. Another nice serve, Joanna Botor Carpio, that she could be the good equalizer dito. Lamang na po ang Philippine Navy. Tanda mo, they are playing without Janet Serafica, so they are 1 center short.
Nice
great serve. Ahumiro, dug up there by Carpio. Prochina going the other way to Suson, blocked there by Dajima. And Phil Kainglet didn't even bother to put up any defense kasi wala na si Carpio sa eksena. Tied at 3. And now Dajima to put it in play. 6 feet tall. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Ilang taon lang to? 19 lang yata itong batang to.
That will go long.
That's her 3rd service error already in this game. Lazaro back. Libero. May pinag-uusapan natin. Kung buhay ka, nagte-training ka sa libero. Prochina. Kainglet. Double attack and Ahumiro scores.
That's right, double quick attack from Ateneo, and Ahumiro gets the set and gets the point.
Well, if I'm not mistaken, Amy Ahumiro is actually the backup of Gretchen Ho in the Ateneo squad.
Middle hitter rin naman talaga siya.
Kainglet on the serve. Carpio. Quintero Sale. Now, talk about power. Quintero Sale has that.
And that went through the blockers of Ateneo. Sanay na sanay si Kitty sa ganyan, yung china-challenge yung blockers.
Yung hindi rin ni Kitty pag nakascore siya, nakakaloko rin eh. 5 to 4. Susan. Ferrer for Ella De Jesus.
That was taken.
She's called the elevator. O, di ba?
Tingnan mo naman yung vertical leap.
Ay, nako. Rosale! Turned back by Gretchen Ho.
That's what you want from your middle hitter. Hindi lang basta magaling pumalo, kundi yung sa blocking din maaasahan. That's why normally middle hitters mo yan, yung matatangkad, malalaki.
Ahumiro on the serve. Laborte had a hard time fielding that one. Here's Ferrer. Oh, the elevator.
Susan was there.
And here's Deposoy. Kainglet.
Susan once again on defense.
Kite. Across. Gem. For a elevator. Ayaw pa rin kumuha ng elevator.
Again, yung floor defense ng Navy working well. Decent this last play. Yan, nakuha nila yan. Dahil very patient sila sa floor defense nila.
Gretchen Hall looking for a check ball that time as her running attack goes long.
Nakakuha sa pasensya.
Yon. And yun ang older, the older team. Axel is the official outfielder of the Shakey's B-League. Usually the older team has more patience. Jesus. Quintero sale. Dug up there by Lazaro. And Ferrer loses the joust. That is a mismatch.
Oo. Sikiti naman yun. Kaya, Rizale getting that point over Jem Ferrer.
Look at this. Navy up by 2. Suson. I'll make that Deposoy. Jesus. Carpio. Marilu Galido. They go to Ella once again.
Oh, Ella.
Getting elevator.
Yun. Alam mo, that was already close to the net. Pag hindi mataas ang vertical leap mo, hindi mo kaya gawin yun.
Right.
Ayan, we'll have a second chance. Looking at this attack.
Nandun na siya sa kilikili ng first referee. Taas na eh.
Amoy ni Gref.
Hindi, malapit lang. Hindi naman nasinghot.
Okay.
7-6 Navy. Carpio. Combo sets it up for Galido. No second ball coming from Jem Ferrer. And you can sense that Ateneo's a little flat-footed with this lineup on the floor right now. Parley Tupas needs to address this as Navy has taken a 2-point lead into our first technical timeout.